made it to the end of the challenge. You did it. You've completed the challenge. Wonderful job. It's day 30. It's launch day. I am so excited. I'm so pumped for all of you that have completed this 30-day challenge. First of all, I want to say that you are exceptional. You have persevered. You stuck to it. You did every day. You completed the automated webinar challenge. You built your automated webinar system. You did all the moving parts, and now it's time to launch it, put it into the world, and start getting your leads and sales. I'm so proud of you. I am also just happy to be around people that are doing things, that are building, that are making it happen for their business. So I commend you, and I am super proud. All right, so today's launch day. So we're going to turn everything on now. We're going to make sure that we let the world know about our automated webinar. So remember when we did our day with marketing our webinar, we talked about emailing our audience and putting a link on our website, starting from home. We talked about teaming up. We talked about, writing a blog post. This is the day we make all that live. We publish that blog post. We make it live on our website, that link that invites them to the automated webinar. We make sure that we team up or we build that relationship and schedule that webinar that we're doing or schedule that team up that we're doing. We're going to make sure that this is when we start marketing, when we go social on social media, when you start running your paid ads if you're going paid ads, okay? Now that your automated webinar is live, you have the link, it's going. Make sure that your automated webinar available date or start date is ready to go, and it's today or the day after, and you're ready to go. This is when you're going to start seeing your leads come in and those leads turn into sales. What I want you to do is make sure that all your marketing efforts are live, and you put your automated webinar out there. Make sure that you share it with your friends and family. Celebrate. Tell people on social that you've been, working on this for 30 days and you launched your automated webinar. Tell them to register and check it out, and give you some feedback, right? And you should be very proud because now you have an asset. You have a piece of great value you can offer to your audience in exchange for their name and email address. Build that lead, build that relationship, build that trust, and convert them into customers. I want to thank you for all your time with me the last 30 days. I know that it was a commitment. I know that you had to put in some time and effort and work with me. I hope that I was able to walk you through it step by step and be a great teacher to you. Please give us any feedback you have. And I'm so happy to have you part of our community at Webinar Ninja. Reach out to me and my team at any time. Congrats again. Fantastic job. I'm so proud of you. And let your business shine. Be proud of it. Be proud of what you just built. Be proud of the automated webinar that you just created. Share it with everybody. That's your final assignment, okay? Celebrate, share it with your friends and family on social, turn on all your marketing, make sure that it's public, and enjoy your success. Take care.